Thank you for staying with us. And can I tell you how happy I am to have Wayne Marshall as my guest and that song that we played at the start of the program? Ah, wow. I gather that it's just popular all over.
Yes, why, man, I tell you.
Graduating classes used it as well?
Yes, quite a few graduation classes use it as their song. So, I mean, people are finding inspiration in it. In the dance halls, it's playing. In the churches, I must say, like,
So,
I've
Wayne,
been...
there are people who say that music really doesn't affect anybody and, you know, it can't affect young people. But I'm quite certain you would like to say to the contrary.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, as early as I can remember, music has had deep impacting thing on me. And I remember listening to Bob Marley, Buffalo Soldier, and just being totally spooked out. Me, I said, what kind of song this like? Why am I 6, 7 years old and feeling so much emotion through the music? I literally used to think, wow, like why is it? And then from that point on, I knew that music was much more than just melody and words. You could paint pictures, you could inspire, you could uplift, you could heal through the music, and I knew that from a very tender age. So when I came into music, that was always my aspiration, to reach to a level, evolve to a level where I could do music that could actually impact people, you know, uplift.
So you never did any vulgar things? Any music that was...
I wouldn't say vulgar. My mother would have probably said me do a couple boogie yaga, yes, but it's not anything that I couldn't stand up to.
Okay.
It was always maintain that integrity because I come from good home. And I was not going to make my mother hear anything that she would have said that would make her feel, wow, where did I go wrong, you know? Or this is not the way I know. It would always have to be something that I could stand up behind,
Okay.
you know? So, yeah, I always try to maintain